Good evening, Mulaski families. Thank you for coming out and joining us tonight. We're so thankful that you're here with us, and we look forward to working as a partner this year to help all the Mulaski students. Have a great evening.
Please take some time to check out our Mulaski School website at mulaski.org. You can find answers to a lot of your questions here. You'll see different tabs across the top. For example, under academics, you can look at our school-wide grading policy and citizenship rubric. You can also find Infinite Campus.
Did you know you could add the Infinite Campus app to your smartphone? Infinite Campus allows you to check your child's attendance and grades at any time right from your phone or computer. Go to the Academics tab, then Infinite Campus page to find all the information and CCSD district code for your phone. If you don't know your username and password for Infinite Campus, you can come to the Mulaski offices during school hours and we can help you.
The General tab has information from the bell schedule to the calendar, and definitely check out the Parents tab where you can find resources and community programs. You also can see the dates for our upcoming monthly meetings where you can have an opportunity to meet with the principal and let your voice be heard. And under the Pride tab is where you can find all the information about our Pride program and our behavior expectations here at Mulaski.
We are so fortunate to be a one-to-one Chromebook school, which means each one of our students has a Chromebook to use during the school day and at home.
Our students should be bringing their Chromebooks home every single day so that they can charge them at night so that they are ready for the next day at school.
Ask your child to show you the Mulaski Library page where they have access to reliable and credible databases for research. Our awesome librarian has hundreds of ebooks our students can read right on their Chromebooks. Students even have a form they can fill out requesting books they would like to check out from our awesome library. The Tech Tools and Student Links pages give students all the access they need to different programs and resources they use in their classrooms.
Picture Day is tomorrow. All of our students will take a picture. This is the picture that will be taken for the school yearbook and their student ID that they're required to wear each day. Students can purchase pictures by bringing money with them tomorrow and their picture packet, or you can order online. Go to mulaski.org for more information.
We offer both breakfast and lunch to students at no charge. Breakfast is available every day before first period, so please encourage your children to take the time to eat before they go to class. We also offer lunch at no charge.
Thank you again for spending your evening here with us tonight. We are excited for the school year, and we are looking forward to working with you in order to make this a successful year for your children. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your evening.